In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete recent call history on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first hit on your phone app and now there hit on recents. There are a list of all your recent calls, and to be able to delete one of them, all you have to do is swipe to the left on that call and here tap on delete. Now also you can hit on edit, and now there you can delete that calls by hitting on that minus sign and hitting on delete, minus delete, minus delete, and in that way you can delete any calls that you want. Unfortunately there are no delete all button here, but you can delete recent calls in that way. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.